What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is install day. Camacho finally got his exhaust in today. How do you feel, buddy?
Excited.
Excited, we're excited. So right now what we're trying to do, Camacho's car is too low for the ramps. So we're gonna put these big pieces of wood first. That way it can clear the exhaust going up the ramps. And then we should be good to start the install. Thank you, Josie, for letting us use your house. So this is what we got so far. We got pieces of wood leading up to the ramps. And then we got 2 bricks underneath both sides. That way it doesn't crack the wood in half when he's going up.
Keep going.
Keep going. Oh fuck. Right there. Good. Woo. You got it. Yeah, so the wood broke, but it's up. We're good. Nothing hit. I didn't even know this guy was coming. I thought you were at school.
Well, turns out I didn't have class today.
Why?
I don't know.
Damn, fucking Chino's here.
Start paying attention in class.
We're all here. We're just waiting on Ongo. He's the one with the tools. If you guys remember, during Chino's install, Camacho still hadn't decided his exhaust. And well, he decided today, obviously. Camacho?
Dude, I had to do it. I had to.
Chino, how do you feel? What is that? So Camacho had actually told us like a week before, Chino? Or not even, that same day.
Yeah.
So that same day he said he was gonna send it with a Tomei. And then out of nowhere, Chino had bought his, so Camacho had to do it. Hey, show him what else you got for the, since it's a single exit. So Camacho sent it on a Legends Media toe strap. That's gonna finish off the look in the back.
Where's my
You need to get one, bro.
Cusco. I'm getting a Cusco one now.
Support your YouTube, your
Fellow YouTubers, bro.
He's been holding this hostage from me for like a week.
payment first.
You still haven't paid for your banner, bitch.
Storage fee for the Tomei. It got here Saturday.
Hey, buddy.
Bro,
Your banner?
I had to
That's not
take
free.
delivery on a weekend. Bro, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. That's 4 days, bro.
What do you charge for storage usually?
Dude, for something like this, you know,
Takes up a lot of space.
You can't just leave it outside. You know, you gotta protect it. It's not cheap, I'll tell you that. Just give me that toe strap and
We'll call it
I think
even.
we're good.
Chino got a Legends key tag or flight tag. This is gonna make his car look 10 times better. Oh, here comes the Savage. Oh, he's the last one to show up.
Because I'm the last one who gets hit up.
Hey, what happened to your banner?
It's peeling off. It's too cold.
Fuck.
It's too cold.
Hey, when do your winters get here?
Never.
I called today. It's been a week, and they said, "Oh, give it 2 more days."
Fuck. Yeah, pa que? It's almost summer.
No.
So now that the tools are here, we can go ahead and start the install. But I want to show you guys something before we do that. Or Josie.
What is that?
Guys, my boy Alec over at Clutch Kick sent out another package. I already opened it, but these two guys haven't seen it. Hey, no peeking. You ready?
Ew, with the
Check it out, boys.
Thank
your slab.
Hey, fuck
These
you.
are pretty giant.
So check it out, guys. Alec made some custom stickers of my car with Subi Troops on the bottom. These came out so sick. I'm gonna be throwing these on my Mac and on my phone.
Wait,
Check it out,
is that
guys.
Chino's car?
Same.
Don't do it on your phone.
Hell no. Give me my fourth one, bitch.
You don't need
50
4.
bucks.
Yeah, you don't need 4. 1, 2,
50?
3, 4.
So if one of you guys wants to support and cop one of these, they're gonna be on the website Clutch Kick. We'll link it right here. Make sure to go cop one. Thanks, Alec.
Are these your ramps, Chino?
Yeah. Same shit.
I have the same Rams too.
Yeah. Let's just double them up.
No, mom. Man.
Dumb down.
You trying to die?
What am I looking for? What's the heck?
Just as good as the first time.
Woke up at
I
night.
can find a way to kiss you. Kiss me, Chino. Ooh! There we go. Oh, that always looks so good, dude. boys soon. This spring, I'm going with it. What about you, Ongo? Are you gonna switch it up? Are you gonna stick with Invidia? Did I have to?
You are?
Someone said in a comment that a Tomei would probably clean mine up a lot more.
Clean it up?
Yeah, 'cause you know how it sounds like. So we got started on getting the stock exhaust out. We're not gonna show you too much because we kind of already did with Chinos. So we're gonna pull that out and then we'll show you guys putting the Tomei in and then we'll be done. Cause like with installs and shit, bro, you fucking.
What time does he get?
Dude, what are you guys doing? Smoking?
Chill, I don't smoke. Just got the stock one out, and if anyone is trying to buy the STI exhaust, it's a little bit louder than stock, but very subtle. So for anyone who wants a quiet, subtle exhaust, we'll be selling that one. Hit us up on our Instagram, and maybe we could work something out. But there it is. Luckily, if you guys remember from Chino's install, we now know that we should piece everything together inside the car, so under the car. So we'll be throwing on the mid pipe first. So we'll throw this one on first, and then we'll move on to the back. Damn, Mongo. I see why they call you the pipe master. Just cuddling with Chino.
No le entra la cabecita.
What? What's going down? Wait, what's happening?
Entra la cabecita, dice Mongo. Mongo, you can't get it up? You can't get it up?
I can get it up.
Did you get it in?
No.
Not yet.
He's playing hard to get.
It's not going up, huh? We are done with the install. The new Tomei is in. But before we start it up, we got to get the Legends toe strap on the other side. Toe strap is on.
Countdown.
Fuck yeah. Sounds good. Camacho, it's in, boy. It's officially in and it sounds really good. So it's official, guys. Everyone officially has an exhaust. And Camacho and Chino sound fucking good. Oh yeah, Luis has like that HKS that you can't really hear. Damn, and look at that toe straps. Makes it look a little less empty on that side. Since we didn't get a lot of exhaust sounds when we did Chino's exhaust, we're gonna go out today, even though it's snowing, and just try and get some exhaust sounds so you guys can hear what they really sound like. Tomei just sounds the best, guys. This is definitely the catback that I'm gonna switch to on my STI. Camacho.
Dude, it feels like so much different now. I can actually hear my car.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Finally.
Do we fucking tell them what's going on next week? I think they should wait. You guys gotta wait for that one, but damn.
There's some things coming.
Fucking Camacho.
I just wouldn't go.
Fucking Camacho. Buddy, fucking send it. Oh, what the fuck? Oh fuck. Oh shit. Whoopsie. That's not good. Hey boys, let us know what you guys think about Camacho's exhaust and the added toe strap on the end there. We're gonna call it a day. It's gonna get dark in a couple of minutes and it's fucking cold out here. So we'll catch you guys next time. We got some parts coming in the mail. Vito's gonna send it on Friday. We'll see you guys next time.